Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 CR-V Hybrid. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, 8 speakers, cloth seat trim, compass, low tire pressure warning. The Honda CR-V Hybrid offers a powertrain with plenty of energy, a cabin with plenty of room, and a ride with plenty of comfort. This is all in addition to the fact it's a hybrid vehicle and the additional efficiency that it offers. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.